Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone is unlocked, WhatsApp is updated, and you can access system settings. Open Settings now and locate apps or notifications. This is necessary because Do Not Disturb can be enforced at the OS level. Once there, find WhatsApp in the app list and tap Notifications. You do this first, so you address the most common reason messages are silenced. Make sure not to skip checking both WhatsApp's in-app settings and the phone's D&D controls. Now adjust both app-level and system-level settings because WhatsApp can be muted by either. In WhatsApp, open Settings, then Notifications. Enable message and group tones and set vibration if desired. Next, switch to System Notifications for WhatsApp and confirm Allow Notifications and set as priority. If you're on Android, open Do Not Disturb exceptions and permit WhatsApp calls and messages. If you're on iPhone, open Focus and add WhatsApp to allowed apps. This double check prevents conflicts between. Finish by restarting your phone so system changes fully apply. Simple reboots resolve lingering silencing. Then test notifications. Send a test message from another device or ask someone to call you to confirm sounds and banners appear. If notifications remain blocked, clear WhatsApp cache or, as a final remedy, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up chats. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, check any third-party battery or notification managers and disable them. Those often override system D&D settings and prevent alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.